Hi there, students. A perfect storm. Well, firstly, you can use this phrase in meteorology. A perfect storm is a powerful hurricane or any other major meteorological disturbance, which is a combination of very rare, very unusual factors that make the storm enormous. So it's a storm that's aggravated by a rare combination of circumstances, and this results in the storm being even bigger, even stronger, and this is a perfect storm. However, we use this metaphorically to say that to talk about a bad situation which is made worse, which is exacerbated by various other bad things happening at the same time. So a perfect storm. Last year was a perfect storm, or the year before was a perfect storm for the travel industry. People were locked up at home, people weren't allowed to travel, countries weren't allowing visitors. It was a perfect storm, which means that the travel business did almost zero business, and it was a perfect storm. Okay, so a perfect storm, it's a bad situation which is made much worse by a combination of various other bad things happening all at the same time. So the bankruptcy of the company was caused by a perfect storm. A combination of unfortunate, unfavourable circumstances. So the company had borrowed a lot of money to improve its factory and improve its machinery, and then the prices were very high, and business was bad, the economy was bad, and various other factors led to a perfect storm which destroyed the company. Okay, so it's effectively a concurrence of various different factors that make a bad situation much worse. So yes, all of these factors together have rolled into a perfect storm, affecting public safety and business and quality of life. Okay, or a perhaps global warming is causing a perfect storm for ski resorts in Switzerland or in the Alps, because there is no more snow, and that combined with the fact that Switzerland is very expensive. Investors are faced with a perfect storm of a slowing economy, rising prices, and an unstable housing market. Okay, so but this is a combination of events which are not necessarily dangerous individually, but altogether cause a really bad outcome. I'm thinking of when a storm comes, if a storm hits a town on the coast, it probably depends, for example, if the tide is out or the tide is in. If the tide is in, then there will be much more flooding, and this is something that could lead to a perfect storm. Heavy rain at the same time would lead to a perfect storm. Perhaps bad planning by the county council, the council of the city, would also add to this, and various factors added together create a perfect storm, a powerful concurrence of factors, an unusual combination of events, a catastrophic situation with various bad events coming together all at the same time. So a perfect storm. Yes, let's see. They say that it's a perfect storm for homeowners at the moment. Very high interest rates, and very low interest in buying new homes. It's a perfect storm. So, perfect storm, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. 4.5. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a semi-formal writing, but probably not in something very formal. So, perfect storm.